In this video we're going to deal with two questions, one about slope and one about differentiation. So we're going to start with question 1. Find the slope of the line minus 2x plus 3y is equals to 4x minus y plus 17. So we're just going to write out our equation again. Now you can see that the equation is very messy. We have x's and y's on both sides. So to tidy it up, we're going to bring all our y's to the left and all our x's to the right. So we're just going to bring our minus y on the right side over to the left and our minus 2x on the left over to the right. And this should give us 4y is equals to 4x plus 2x plus 17. So you can see we have 4x plus 2x on the right side. So that can be tidied up further into 4y is equals to 6x plus 17. Now our next step is going to be getting a single y on the left. And we're going to do this by dividing each term on the left by 4 and each term on the right by 4. So really we're not changing the equation at all. So yeah, we're going to divide both sides by 4 to give y is equals to 6 over 4x plus 17 over 4. From the equation of a line, we know that the coefficient of x is the slope of the line, where m equals slope. So when an equation is in the format y is equals to mx plus c, m is the slope. And you see that our equation is in the format y is equals to mx plus c, so in our case m is equals to 6 over 4 and c is 17 over 4. So we have m, our slope, which is the coefficient of x, which is 6 over 4, which can be broken down further into 3 over 2. And that's our answer. The slope of the line minus 2x plus 3y is equals to 4x minus y plus 17 is 3 over 2. And here's our second question, dealing with differentiation. Given y is equals to 3x minus 7 times 2x squared plus 4x plus 1, find dy dx. So you can see we have a bracket beside a bracket, and an easy way to multiply this out is to multiply the first term in the first bracket by the second bracket, and then the second term in the first bracket by the second bracket. And this will give us y is equals to 3x times 2x squared plus 4x plus 1 minus 7 times 2x squared plus 4x plus 1. And when we multiply in our 3x and our minus 7, we get y is equals to 6x cubed plus 12x squared plus 3x minus 14x squared minus 28x minus 7. And you'll notice we have a plus 12x squared and a minus 14x squared on the right hand side, and we also have a plus 3x and a minus 28x. So when we group like terms, we get y is equals to 6x cubed minus 2x squared minus 25x minus 7. So with our equation now in this format, we can start to differentiate. So to differentiate, you must multiply the coefficient by the power and then reduce the power by 1. So for example, 6x cubed is differentiated to 18x squared. So the power is brought down and multiplied by the coefficient, so in this case 3 times 6, which is 18, and we reduce the power over the x by 1, so 3 minus 1 is 2 to give x squared. I.e. dy dx of 6x cubed is equals to 18x squared. And we use this rule when we differentiate the other terms. So there's our equation. Y is equal to 6x cubed minus 2x squared minus 25x minus 7. So we differentiate y to get dy dx. 6x cubed becomes 18x squared. Our minus 2x squared becomes minus 4x. Minus 25x becomes minus 25, and minus 7 is dropped. Note, when differentiating, if the x has no power, then simply drop the x. Similarly, the constant, in this case 7, is also dropped. And there's our answer. Dy dx is equals to 18x squared minus 4x minus 25.